Hey, we are going to be doing Word Chapter 2 project. All right, so I'm in SimNet. I'm going to download the start file. I'm going to open it up where it saved it to my downloads. Now I'm going to switch over so you guys can see what I'm seeing. Here we go. Okay, so we are going to start on step 3 because step 1 and 2 are just opening up the document and renaming it, but we don't rename it, just leave it how it is. Step 3, change the margins of the document. So we're going to click Page Setup Launcher under the Layout tab. We're going to go right here to the Page Setup, Page Launcher. This is showing you, we're going to be changing the margins. The margin is the space around your text. How much space is between your text and the end of the page? So right now it's set as 1 inch all the way around, which is default. That's the normal margin. They want us to change the left and right margins to 0.75. So we're going to change this. I'm typing this in because you can't get to 0.75 by toggling. And then the right 0.75. Okay, make sure you didn't do the top and bottom. Top and bottom should be 1 inch. Left and right should be 0.75. All right, that was step 3. Step 4 is change the theme and theme color of the document. So we're going to go to the Design tab. So 4A, we're going to click the Themes button. Here's the Themes button in the Design tab. And we are going to select Integral, which for me, it's right here. Yours might be located a little different, but find Integral, choose it. For C, we're going to click the Colors button, which is all the way over to the end here, and we are going to find Aspect. Aspect is usually way at the bottom, the very last choice. Step 5, we're going to change the font size, paragraph spacing, and line spacing of the entire document. This is where most students get messed up, or this is the problem I noticed most students in my class, they have a problem with. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit Control A on your keyboard. So hit your Control button, hold it down, and press your A key. Control button A. What this does is selects your entire document. Could you also start at the top of here, click and drag all the way down to the end of the document? Yes. Yes, you can. Control A is just a quick way to select everything. We are going to change the font size. So this is, we're at 5B. We're going to change the font size to 11. So go back to home, go right here, choose 11, change the line spacing to 1. You could change it right here to 1. Let's go ahead and do that because this is, 1, 1.5, 1.5, all this. We're going to click 1, but it also says to change the after spacing to 6 points. Now to change the after spacing, we do need to go to the paragraph settings. Okay, so we're going to choose the paragraph settings. And we are going to change the spacing after to 6. Click OK. Okay. I think this is where most students, I think they miss this. For some reason, the students, they have too much space in between their items. So make sure that at this point, your document should look like this. All right, step 6, we're going to apply styles to the selected text. So keep everything selected still. 6A, we're going to place the insertion point in the first line of the text. Actually, we don't need this all selected, so click off of it. We're going to go right here. We're going to select Contractors Insurance Questionnaire. 6B, we're going to click the title style. The title style is on the home ribbon and it's in the style section. And these are all the different styles that you can choose from, and just go up here and find title and click it. And you can see that it changes the font, the size, it puts a line underneath it. And then it also starts using those colors that we changed the document to, that aspect color. All right, 6C, we're going to select the second line of the document. Please read carefully all the questions and disclaimers. And we're going to right click on the selected text, click styles on the mini toolbar. Okay, so once you have this selected, right click with your mouse and you can see you get two quick menus here. You can go up here and click styles, and they want you to choose book title. So we're going to go down here and we're going to find book title right here. So they're just showing you can right click and get to, some most used buttons that way. Could you have clicked this and went up here and chose book title, put this down and chose that? Absolutely. It would have done the same exact thing. Now, 6E, oh, sorry, keep this selected. And 6E, we need to change the case button to uppercase. So up here, right here in the font area, this is change the case. Font, these are all the way that these letters and numbers, how they look. So we're going to click the down arrow and we're going to choose uppercase. Now we're going to select applicant's instructions. That's the next line. So go ahead and choose applicant's instructions. 6G, we're going to apply a strong style. I'm sorry, we're going to select heading 2. So go up here to heading 2, select that. Now we're going to, in 6G, I'm going to click out of that. We're going to click, we are going to apply the strong style to the 3 words in all caps, all, none, and none. All right, so we're going to select this all. And we're going to go up here and we're going to click strong. Then you could do this to each one of these, none and none. You could just select it, click strong, select it, and click strong. I'm going to select them both at the same time, which I could have done to all 3. And just to show you how to do it, I'm going to select the none, let my mouse go. I'm going to hold down my control key on my keyboard. I'm going to go over here to this none and select this as well. The control key pressed down allows you to pick and choose what you want to select. And then whatever we do to this, it's going to happen to both of them. So we're going to click strong. H, we're going to select insurance application disclaimer on the second page. So right over here, second page, insurance application disclaimer. And we are going to also make that a heading 2. All right, in step 7, we are going to modify an existing style. So these styles up here that we're clicking and it's, it's making it look a certain way, those are defaults that Microsoft put in. Can you change those? Yes. Can you change them just for this document? Yes. And that's what you would choose to do. You wouldn't want to change the whole system. So what we're going to do is modify an existing style. They want us to modify this heading 2. We are going to, and remember the 2 places. This is a heading 2 and this is a heading 2. We're going to right click on this up here at the top. And we are going to select modify. That's 7A. 7B, we're going to change the font size from 11 to 12. 7C, we're going to click the format button on the bottom left, and we're going to select paragraph. A dialog box opens. We're going to change the left and right indent. So here's indentation, left and right. I'm going to select it and just press 0. I'm going to click OK to close the paragraph dialog box. And then 7F, I'm going to make sure that this is selected only in this document. Make sure it's selected. Do not deselect that, because it'll mess up your documents that you do in the future. So select only in that document, make sure that's clicked. And we are going to select OK. And you can see what it did. It moved it over and it made it a little bit bigger. All right, step 8, we're going to add borders and shading and to selected text. So we're going to select the first 3 paragraphs below insurance application disclaimer. So I'm going to scroll over here. And I'm going to select the first three paragraphs. Okay, just select these, leave these alone. These 3 lines, leave them alone. Select these 3 paragraphs. 8B, we're going to click the borders drop down button. So we're going to make sure you're in home. You're going to go to paragraph, and right here, the borders drop down button. We're going to go down to borders and shading. 8C, we're going to select custom. 8D, we're going to select the solid line border, which is already selected, it's defaulted. Under color, they want us to choose the 5th color in the first row. And if you hover over it, you can see what it's named. So this is called Orange Accent 1, and in our instructions, it says Orange Accent 1. We're going to change the width from 1/2 to 1. We're going to click the left and right border button. So we're going to click right here, and we're going to click right here. We're going to select, make sure it says apply to paragraph. Then they want us to select the options button. Okay. So 8I, we're gonna, we selected options. 8J, we are going to change the left and right settings to 5-point. So the left and right, it's right now it's 4-point. I'm going to toggle this up 1 and change this to 5. Click OK. I'm going to click, now you then want us to click the shading tab in 8K. In the fill, they want us to select the Orange Accent 1 lighter 80%. It's the one right under the orange one we selected. And you can see the name of it when I hover over it. Now I'm going to click it. And it shows what it's going to look like. It's applying to the paragraph. And I'm going to click OK. All right, so if I click off of it, this is what yours should look like. All right, step 9, we're going to change the paragraph spacing and add a tab stop with an underline leader to selected text. 9A, we're going to select the last 3 lines of text on the second page. These are the last 3 lines, this name of insurance, signature of insured, and date of application. Okay. I'm going to select this. Actually, before I do this, I'm going to go up here and click view. You don't have to do this. I'm just explaining just so you understand what you're doing here in a second. I'm going to click view and I'm going to click ruler. And this just shows the ruler set on our documents. And you can see this is where our text starts, okay, at 0. And then the margin ends at, you can see 6, these are inches, okay? It ends at 7. So with these selected, they want us to select the paragraph launcher that's in the home tab, font paragraph launcher. They want us to change it to 12. This is 9C, 12. 9D, they want us to click the tabs button. Ignore what I just did. Click 11. I'm sorry, cancel out of this. I went to the wrong paragraph. I went to the font launcher. We want paragraph launcher. Sorry. Paragraph launcher. They want us to change the before paragraph spacing right here, before to 12. We're going to click on the tabs button. So 9D, click tabs. Right here where it says tab stop position, we're going to put 7. So what does that mean? Once we get done with this, it's going to put this tab stop right here. They want us to click this right alignment. That's 9G and 9H. I'm sorry, 9F, the right radio button, and 9G, they want us to select the 4 solid line. They want us to click set and OK. Now they want in 9I, they want us to click at the end of the name and title. So we're just going to click right at the end of D, no space in between, and click your tab button on your keyboard. And you can see this makes a nice signature line. And you can see that it stops and they're all the same and they all stop at the 7-inch mark. Okay, so that's all that is. Okay, of course, J was repeating those steps, both places. This one, I'm not sure if I went to the end. I just want to try it again. Okay. I want to make sure I was right after the D. It seems like there's a little space there, but it does make these even, so that's fine. All right, step 10, we're going to add a multi-level list to selected text and modify list settings. So we're going to select the lines of text beginning with applicant. So right here, start with applicant. We're going to drag down to right after this last, if yes, please explain. Okay, make sure nothing else is selected. Starts at applicant, ends right here. We are going in 10C, we're going to click multi-level list button. Okay, these are the paragraph areas. Right here, if you hover over a button, it'll tell you what it is. You see numbering, bullets. But if we hover over this multi-level list, we're going to click the little down arrow. And they want us to select the one with a right parentheses, A parentheses, I parentheses. All right, so we're going to select this one. Don't select this one. I made this mistake in my class, and my on-campus class. Pick this one. That's the correct one. Now they want us to click that button again. And they want us to select define new multi-level list. And they want us to click the set for all levels. 10E, they want us to select the bullet number position for the first level to 0, which that's right. The second, they want it to be 0.3. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to type it in. I don't know if the toggle will work for that. I'm going to put 0.3. So it should be 0, 0.3, 0.3. Click OK. And click OK. And you can see it just changed the indentation a little bit. Now, step 11, we're going to increase indent on selected line. So click anywhere in the list to deselect it. Okay, I already did that. We are going to place our insertion point in 13 in the number list. So let's go over down here to 13. Right in front of the if. Make sure not everything's not selected. Just make sure your cursor is blinking right in front of the I and F. And they want us to increase the indent. Up here in the paragraph area, here is the increase indent button. So it's the lines with the little blue arrow going to the right. This is decrease indent. Click the increase indent. There you go. And they want us to do that for the rest of anything that starts with if yes. So we're going to go in front of all the if yeses and increase that indent. I do want to tell you, so I'm getting to the bottom here. You can also, that's increase indent button. You can also, if you go in front of here, you can also click your tab button on your keyboard. It does the same thing. Now, if you want to decrease the indent, so I'm at the end here, you would have to click up here again, but if you can just hit your tab button as a quick little hint for you, but they do want you to know where these increase and decrease buttons are. So I'm going to look this over and just make sure that I did not miss any. Okay. Step 12, change the paragraph spacing on the multi-level list and add a right stop with an underline leader. So we're going to select the entire list. Okay. At this point, do you see how this is? This starts with an A at the top. If yours is different, if yours does not start with an A in 23, 24, and or you have more space, you've missed something. You need to go back and redo the spacing, the tabs. You need to redo some of the steps. Somehow you've missed something and your spacing is off and it will count it. Okay, so we've selected everything. We're going to click the paragraph launcher, 12B. 12C, we're going to deselect, don't add space between paragraphs of the same style. So right here, it says deselect. It's not selected. If yours is selected, deselect it, but mine is not, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. I'm going to click the tabs button. We're back here where we went before. I'm going to click the tab stop at 7 because we want it to be over. We're going to make those lines again. That's what we're doing again. We're going to click right and we're going to click 4 solid. We're going to set and OK. Now we're going to go to the end of applicant and we're going to hit tab and we're going to do that for each one of these. And remember, if you do something, use that undo button, okay? You mess up something, click undo. It's way easier than trying to go back and figure out what you clicked on. Like, I'm gonna make sure that this is saved. Of course, your program automatically saves it, but it's always a good idea when you're working on something to just go up there and click that save button pretty often. You just want to make sure if your computer shuts down in the middle that, you don't have to start from scratch. All right, so step 14, we're going to insert a page break in the document. So they want us to place the insertion point before the text in number 22. I want you to see how 22, are you interested in are your subscribers involved in removal? And then A, that's on a separate line. So what they want to do is they just want to make sure that 22 is all together. So we're going to go in front of the A. Your instructions say to press Control Home. I'm sorry. Your instructions say to press Control Enter. Control Enter on your keyboard will give you a page break. Though that's a quick a keystroke hack that you don't have to use your mouse. I do want to, you can use that if you want. Do Control Enter. You can also go up to Insert, because of course you're inserting something into the document. You're inserting a break. So we're going to go right here to page break and click on that. You can't see your page break, but if I go back to home and I click the paragraph marker, make that your friend. You'll know, you can see what's going on in your document that way. I'm going to leave that because I want to see what's happening. So there's my page break, which is where it should be. My 22 should be at the top of this document. Again, if your spacing's off, you've missed something. All right, step 15, we're going to add a page number in the footer of the document. We're going to place your insertion point at the beginning of the document. It says you can click Control Home. If you're in a huge document, like a 25-page document, hitting Control Home is a good idea because it will pop you right to the front of your document. We just have a 3-page document. We can just go click over into it. But just know those two options are available to you. We're going to click on page number. So we're going to insert. We're going to go over here to the header and footer. And we're going to click page number. That's 15B. We're going to select bottom of the page to display the drop-down list. And they want us to scroll down and choose bold numbers 3. So we're going to go over here and we're going to drag down till we see bold numbers 1, 2, this one. They want us to choose this. And you can see it puts us in the footer of the document. You can see the rest of the document is grayed out because we are in a separate section of this document. All right, the next step, 15E, is they want us to remove the blank line below the page number. Now, if we wouldn't have turned on that paragraph marker, you wouldn't see this, okay? So you'd be like, what page, what line, what extra line? Well, it is down here, so let's click on this and let's hit the backspace key and get rid of it. All right, 16. Okay, before I get to 16, we are in the header, we're in the footer. Because we're in the footer and then could jump to the header if we want, we have an extra tab. You can close out of this up here with your tab by clicking close, or you can easily just double click up into your document to get out of the header footer. If you want to go back into a footer or header, you can also go down to the bottom near the footer and just double click down there. And we right away, and here we have the extra toolbar, okay? We're going to use 16, we're going to use find to locate a word in the document, insert a link to place in the document. So we are going to go to home, we're in home. We're going to go all the way to the end here to editing, and at the top, we're going to click find. When we click find, it brings us over to navigation. We want to type in disclaimer. And disclaimer, it found 2 results. In mine, it found it at the top of my first page. This is where they want. If it found your second disclaimer, I'm going to use this little down arrow because this finds all the options that we look for. When I click the down arrow, and you can see the second one it found is on the second page. But we do want that. We do want the one on the first page. Obviously, we have a 2-3-page document. We probably could have just looked at it and found what we wanted. Again, if you have a 24, you have a large document and you're trying to find something, you can use the find button. All right, so I'm going to close this out. It found my disclaimer at the top. This should be highlighted. If it's not highlighted, go ahead and select it. And we are going to click, we are going to insert a link. So 16E. All right, 16E, we're going to click insert. We're going to go over here to the link section. We're going to click on link, the little down arrow. I'm sorry, we're at the top arrow. I mean, top button, sorry, top button. Insert hyperlink. Right now this is a hyperlink and we actually don't want a hyperlink. So we want to click place in this document. Right now it says existing, well, it is a hyperlink. We don't want it to link to a website. We do want it to go in this document. So we're going to click place in this document. And they want 16G. They want us to select this right here, insurance application disclaimer. We're going to click up here, screen tip. And in 16G, type in, this is a step a lot of students seem to miss too. And then they can't find it again. Make sure you spell it correctly. I'm looking over my own spelling here. And I'm clicking OK. Then this is still selected. I'm going to select OK. This should turn green or blue. Should turn green. What this does, if I go over it, but if I hold my control key down, it turns this into a chooser, my cursor into a chooser. I can click on this and it pops me down to this page. I mean, to this section. You've mostly seen something like this if you've been on a web page, website, and it's giving you a bunch of information. Usually they might have a list of all the information that's below, and you could click on it and it would just drag you down. Otherwise, you could just start reading and read it all. But if you want to jump to a section, that is how you create that. All right, one more thing before we get done with this. Make sure you select this disclaimer if you've clicked off of it. Click home and we want to bold it. All right, click off. That should be bold. And we're going to be at 17. 17, they just want us to view this document side by side, which I am already, but just know you can change the view of how you view these. Page movement, right now it's vertical, and we can go side to side. And your document should be on 2 pages. All right, we're going to click save. And they want us to click back on vertical. All right, I'm going to click save. And you can leave the paragraph markers in there. If you was to print this out, it would not show up on your print. This is only for you. This is only for the creator of the document. I'm going to click save. I am going to go back to SimNet. I'll go back to SimNet, and you can see I'm at the bottom of my instructions. And there's also, in case you want to know, if you see that this is what your finished document should look like. Okay. So that is helpful, especially when we get into Excel and stuff. It's real helpful to be able to kind of see. All right, so I'm going to go to the top of this. And I'm going to upload my file. I just leave mine in my downloads. Anything you upload, or I'm sorry, download from the internet is over here. I'm going to click on that file. I'm going to click yes, submit file. There we go. Okay, you get 3 attempts at this. If you need more, you get stuck, please contact me before Sunday when this is due. Thank you.